Okay, this is the fight for playoffs. UP Yodhas are at 4. For the Bengal Warriors, they need to win everything in case they want to keep their hopes alive. There comes the first trade, and as Rajesh Shirji had predicted, it is mighty money. Instincts. Sport sometimes is not about planning and execution and hope, it is about instincts. My instincts somehow tell me Bengal Warriors will do better. Bhavani Rajput, what has he done in the tournament so far? 224 raids, and that is his 100th raid point of the season.
UP Yodhas.
Yeah, if there's someone who can pull this back for the Bengal Warriors, it's Maninder Singh. They descend on him like a pack of wolves.
Got 3 raid points in the last game he came, so the confidence is back in. Gone! This is from Super Tackle. Makar, Key,
Shakar! Siddesh Takkare. Brilliant!
Now, where does the belief come in that camp? No, off he goes with 2! I go through
2 points.
with 2!
Bengal Warriors. Number 44 and 10 out.
The height and the might of the Raiders. Oh, for the batter! This is enough testimony. Look at... Oh, the reaction from Mayur Kadam. Speechless.
UP Yodhas.
2 moments that were... Oh, off he goes, yes! They're trading blows. Is it a super raid?
Number 12 and 7.
Oh, just a 2-pointer is what I believe.
Gagan Gowda now in a do-or-die situation. My money would be on Gagan Gowda here unless Fazal Atrachali has other plans. They do! They've stopped Gagan Gowda! They've done the impossible! It was Nitesh who went in again first up. Fazal Atrachali expected it. The Bengal Warriors are in this, ladies and gentlemen. Get your seatbelts firmly clasped. Screaming going on the mat. The clock is running down. Pranay Rane turns right to left, left to right. Pranay Rane tries to lead. He's close to the midline, but Hitesh's hold on his ankle is strong enough. The assist comes in time. Oh, that assist, brilliant. The Bengal Warriors are now fighting as one. You can see the desperation. They are clawing for every single point. To the opponents as well, and we mean serious business. Now this is a rough super tackle opportunity. 1 versus 2. Money was never the right choice for this one. He's not been the right choice today. UP Yodhas say we will win 2 points and we will get a revival because this is rough super tackle. Shakar. This is very, very painful to see. Paddy Money is clearly struggling. To respond is positive. The response. Oh, yes, he does it! This is an act of brilliance here! This is a mighty, mighty moment. It's a 2-pointer. He'll try a kick one more time on Fazal as well, is what I think. And now he has to go. Fazal goes for it! Bengal Warriors inflict the all-out on UP Yodhas, and that's a mighty moment in the game. Has to be introduced in the game. He hasn't been done so far. Does he do the damage? I don't think so. No, I think he's gotten across. He has at least 3 here. This is terrible. Plus, he has a bonus.
Bonus plus 3 points, UP Yodhas.
And they're clearly not giving him the bonus. They're playing high. They've got him running scared. It was too simple for the defense. In fact, Bharat grabbed Mani's ankle.
First enjoy this wild charge. Lifts him, deposits
Super tackle, 2 points.
into
Bengal
the
Warriors.
trash. Oh,
1 defender out of bounds, 1 point. UP Yodhas.
Fire. Up he goes, down he goes. Vishwas does it again. Boy, oh boy. Steals the joy. Captures the thunder. That is the reason we were saying bring in Vishwas.
Why did they wait so long to pull the trigger?
Bhavani, rough super tackle opportunity. Very crucial moment in the game. 1 point lead. Gone. The scores are level, and now it will be upon the Bengal Warriors.
Come on, Vishwas, there's still 9 seconds left on the clock. Still 7 left on the clock, and they settle for a tie.
The pendulum finally stops. It is 31 UP Yodhas, 31 to the Bengal Warriors. The battle, the brawl, the crash, the dash, and finally, it is the game of Kabaddi.